We're tracking a storm right now. This is Bonnie off the coast of Cape Hatteras. It's been lingering around here for a while. It did regenerate into a tropical depression, possibly even becoming a tropical storm here over the next 12 to 24 hours before weakening as it moves on off. But the very latest on this, as of 11 o'clock, 35-mile-per-hour winds, and here it does become or at least forecast to become a tropical storm, 40-mile-per-hour winds, and then move out to sea. Bermuda's way down here, so it won't even bother Bermuda. Here's a look at it through the tropical satellite there. Nice little burst of convection there once again. But all eyes down to the south now, because we are looking at this next potential system. Now, not in the next couple of days. We got to wait till it gets in this area right here, and that's not going to happen until Sunday night, late Sunday night or Monday. Once it emerges off the Yucatan Peninsula, well, some of the reliable guidance models do want to spin it up into a tropical depression and then possibly a tropical storm along the west coast of Florida on Tuesday. That will drag all the moisture on top of us here on Tuesday, and that means for us the potential for heavy rain and flooding will be there. Also, since we're on the right side of the storm, the tornado threat will be there too, and obviously dangerous seas, dangerous boating weather too. If this does happen, it will get the name Colin is the next name on the list. If that happens, then we will set a record for the earliest sea name storm. The old record is Chris, set back in 2012. Storms began getting names in 1950. Before that, the third storm, which wasn't a sea storm, but it was a third storm, that was June 12th. We'll even beat that. So all the storms in recorded history since the 1800s, of course. Temperatures right now into the 80s. It will be very warm and muggy tonight, barely even getting out of the 80s. There are the thunderstorms that developed today, mainly around Belglade, Indiantown, saw some too, but the coast pretty much remained dry. An isolated coastal shower in the morning, all that shifts inland. Once again, very similar day to today, where we'll see it push inland around a lake and then back towards the west coast. Rain chances don't really ramp up until Sunday, and that's out ahead of that tropical system. And then the big question mark here in the tropics, we could see that heavy rain potential for a day or maybe even a few days too. Boating forecast looks good for now, but again, it'll go downhill next week. 7-day forecast, highs hovering near 90, lows upper 70s to near 80. Chance of rain will increase a little bit on Saturday, more on Sunday, and then all that tropical moisture somewhere between Monday and Wednesday.